In commemoration of the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, we at Zenobia English Medium School have been promoting his thought on cleanliness for the entire month. Gandhiji said, when there is both inner and outer cleanliness, it approaches godliness. Let us see what our students have to say on this.
Cleanliness is also associated with orderliness.
Stay clean, inside out.
A human may be expert in any field, but without cleanliness, his brain is like a vast desert.
Inner cleanliness refers to the cleanliness of thoughts and feelings.
A human may be expert in any field, but without cleanliness, his brain is like a vast desert.
Inner cleanliness is similar to outer cleanliness. Outer cleanliness keeps us away from diseases, but inner cleanliness don't allow depression and all come close to us.
Cleanliness is the courage of a heart.
Keep spreading happiness, love, joy, and employed, and outer cleanliness will keep us from dengue and malaria.
Godness is the root of cleanliness.
Clean and green makes perfect seed.
Cleanliness begins with the purity of your own mind, thoughts, and heart.
Retain only the selected thoughts, feelings, and keep them well organized. Clean up the clutters of ego, pride, jealousy, and headness.
We will keep our world clean.
Be a part of a solution, not a part of a pollution.
One who maintains cleanliness keep away diseases.
When there is both inner and outer cleanliness, it approaches the worthless.
Cleanliness begins with the purity of your own mind, thoughts, and heart.
Cleanliness and order are not matter of instinct. They are matter of education and most great things. You must cultivate taste for them.
When there is both inner and outer cleanliness, then it approaches to godliness.
Cleanliness is a state of purity, clarity, and precision.
Cleanliness implies absence of laziness.
Cleanliness is next to godliness, expresses the idea that those who are wholesome and pure are close to God.
A clean person is not one who runs away from the dirt, but one who takes an effort and a time to clean the dirty environment.
Let us purify ourselves from everything that contaminates body, spirit, and perfecting holiness. For we are cleansed from outside like cup and dish, but from inside we are fully filled with extraction and self-indulgence. So let's clean both from inside and outside.
A clean and hygienic environment is essential for a person's overall positive outlook and to build a positive state of mind in a healthy state.
Better keep yourself clean and bright. You are the window through which you see the world.
The significance of cleanliness goes beyond the health and diseases with not only outer but also inner cleanliness of your body and mind.
If you dream it, you can clean it.
Being clean and green is not just an aspiration but an action.